If you're planning to take some little break from YouTube, maybe a week or two, and especially you're afraid of, oh, if I'm gonna lose views or subscribers and stuff like that, this video is definitely for you. My son didn't post any videos for exactly 2 weeks, and I'm gonna show you all the details. So I have definitely information to share with you. Now keep in mind his channel is totally different than yours, but just to give you an idea. Hey guys, welcome back, stay motivated, make another video today. And as you could see, I had different background today. The sound might be slightly different as well, I'm not exactly sure. I'm sweating, don't worry about it because I had to shut off the AC, whatever. Let's go back to the video. So yeah, we took 2 weeks break. And initially, on first few days that my son didn't post any video, not much really happened. So as you could see here, his last video was posted on August 10th. There's this video, basically him saying I'm taking a break. Now this title of the video was pretty good, it was kind of interesting. So he got a little bit more views than any prior video, especially last few videos before that. He also got 860 subscribers for last 28 days, even though he took a break for 2 weeks without posting any videos whatsoever. Now keep in mind his channel was a green content channel before, meaning his tutorials actually kept the channel relatively stable, at least initially. Mainly the tutorials are in the top videos. The tutorials still bring views today. And there was only one shorts that actually brought 4,700 views, but you don't see any other videos in top 10. Now if you have gaming channel or entertainment channel, that's gonna be probably different obviously. Before I show you the crazy unfortunate thing that happened last couple of days, let me actually go back to last 365 days to show you the entire year. So last year in August, his channel was at top views daily. I'm talking about top views for the channel obviously. So he was getting like 7,000 views, 6,000, 6,500, 7 and almost 8,000 sometimes, stuff like that. Then everything was going smooth. He was doing a lot of different tutorials, right? And then in February, the views started to drop. Now somewhere here, my son also changed the content, okay? And the views started to go lower and lower. Because obviously if somebody came for a tutorial, then not necessarily they would watch Funny Skits. So as you could see, even in July, the views started to go down. And that's before the break. Now I'm gonna show you the last couple of days, but before I wanna say something. If your channel is entertainment, gaming, and basically your channel depends on current views, meaning like on the last 1 or 2 videos you dropped, you will probably have more drastic impact on your channel if you take a break. In the same token, if you feel burnout, I think it's necessary to take a break to basically come back to YouTube and make even better videos, and I think this is very important for generally for health, mental health, and you have to rest sometimes. You shouldn't just do YouTube videos because you think like, I cannot take the break because then my views will go down, subscribers, watch them, and etc. However, if you have this type of channels, your views will probably go down even more since there is no new content posted. Going back to my son's channel. So the next day after, he got 4,400 views approximately. The next day 4,225, 4,086, 4,000, and it was gradually getting down, you see? No new videos posted, but the other videos still kept some volume every day of views. And then going down, going down, going down, going down. Then they went actually up slightly at some point, so 4,100 views. Now when you compare it to 2 weeks prior, it was between 4,500 to 5,000 views. But he was posting videos. So now we are here, but here is the crazy part. This is 3 days before he posted a video just right now after vacation. 2 days before, and look at this drop. From 4,200 views almost to 3,300 views. I believe that if he wouldn't come back to his channel, even though he has all these green videos, the gap was already too big and YouTube stopped recommending videos. I cannot say it 100%, but that's what I think it is. Because look at this drop right here. This is right before my son posted his comeback video. Then he posted his comeback video and views went a little bit back up. Obviously not to the high. Maybe some people already lost the interest in the channel or whatever the story may be. But at least the views came back a little. The subscribers, they stay relatively the same. So to be honest with you, if you want to take a break, just take it. Because if you continue and you're extremely tired, maybe you were posting videos like crazy for a year or 6 months or whatever it is, doesn't matter. the period of time, you may get to the point when you're not gonna be able even to come back. The only thing I would suggest, don't take the break too long. As you saw in this situation, after about 13 days, the views started to drop drastically. I hope this video gave you some idea how taking break from YouTube works. If you find it useful, make sure to hit that like button. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay motivated, make another video today, and I see you in the next video. Bye guys!